Came down past Betka this morning, cold wind coming off the sea. Banksia shaking on the headland, black cockies somewhere in the trees. The beach looked much the same as Tuesday till I walked a little further round. There was water cutting through the sandbar where there'd only been dry ground.
I was down there 3 days earlier, pelicans sitting in a line, Betka lying still behind them, like she'd made up her mind.
Yeah, well, she changed it.
She generally does.
Give her rain and a rising tide, and Betka turns again. Betka turns again, cuts another road out to the ocean. What was sand is water now, what was still is set in motion. We stand there making photographs like somehow we can make it stay.
But the sea keeps moving
and the river keeps choosing. Betka turns again. White-bellied eagle over the entrance, barely moving on the air. Oyster catchers working the shoreline like the channel's always been there. Funny thing about a place you know well, you stop expecting a surprise. Then one morning someone moves the river right there in front of your eyes.
Nothing moved it but the weather, nothing asked us what we thought. Water came down from the country, found the weakest bit and crossed.
No ceremony,
no grand design,
just water,
sand and time.
Betka turns again, cuts another road out to the ocean. Brown water running into blue, and half the beach is set in motion. We stand there making photographs like somehow we can make it stay.
But the tide keeps working
and the river keeps turning. Betka turns again.
I remember summers down here, kids barefoot in the shallows, seagull high above the dunes and roos out past the shadows.
Some winters Betka stays shut tight, dark water backing through the reeds. Then the rain comes down for days and she does exactly what she needs. You make her sound like an old woman.
Maybe she is.
Stubborn as anything.
You'd know about that.
Maybe that's why we keep coming. Same old road and same old sea, knowing full well when we get there it won't be what it used to be. There's a whale somewhere beyond the breakers, though today I can't see a thing.
There's a black cocky cracking Banksia comes at making enough noise for 10.
There's a bloke with a drone above us,
wonder who that could be,
trying to catch one little morning before it runs away to sea. Betka turns again,
cuts another road out to the ocean.
Winter river running free, dark water rolling into motion.
We can fly above and film it, we can come back every day, but the tide keeps working
and the river keeps turning. Betka turns again. Betka turns again.
Maybe narrower, maybe wider,
maybe next week she'll close goes behind us.
Maybe she'll run a little farther.
That's the thing about this coastline,
Never quite the same.
and that's probably why we love it. Betka turns again. Think she'll still be open tomorrow.
Come down and have a look.
Betka turns again.